Hello all. Action verbs. Action verbs expresses action and are the most common verbs. Example, he eats bread. She walks to the station. Negative sentences need do not. I do not eat bread. He does not eat bread. Interrogative sentences begin with do, does, or did. Do you eat bread? Does he eat bread? Here, do not can be shortened to don't. Does not can be shortened to doesn't. And did not to didn't. This is a list of action verbs. With the three forms of sentences, that is affirmative sentence, I sing a song. So when it comes to the negative sentence, I do not sing a song or I don't sing a song. Interrogative sentence, do I sing a song? Please go through the exercise. Thank you.